Okay, folks, doing a problem out of my C++ book. It's called, it tells me to create a program to find all the prime numbers between 1 and 100. There's a classic method for doing this called the Sieve of Eratosthenes. If you don't know that method, get on the web and look it up. Write your program using this method. So I didn't know what the Sieve of Eratosthenes, I can't pronounce his name. I didn't know what that was, so I did go online and I found actually an excellent walkthrough of the algorithm. It even gives you the C++ implementation. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, I don't understand all this code. I would have to walk through every line by hand in order to really truly understand why this works. But it just gives you all the prime numbers up to a certain n. And I added a bit of my own flavor here by putting all the primes into a vector and returning a vector of primes. So we can test the program. It's already been compiled. It just takes one command line argument. So let's do the first 100 primes. There they are, the first 100 prime numbers. And I did make sure to desk check this. I went online and I looked up the first 100 primes to see that it matched up. So the Sieve of Eratosthenes. I have trouble with names sometimes. But seems to work pretty well. It's actually an efficient algorithm for up to a certain n. So here's the first primes up to 250. So that's pretty cool, right? And, you know, I'll admit it, I didn't know what the sieve was or how to implement it, and even when I understood the high-level concept of, well, you just mark off all the composite numbers, right? And all composite numbers are made up, can be factored by primes. Even if I understood that concept, I didn't know how to translate that to code, so I had to go online, I had to look it up, I had to copy this basically line by line, and then I made a one tweak where I'm returning a vector of primes so it's easy to work with. Then I'm just printing out all the primes in that vector, right? Ideally, I should have been able to come up with this algorithm on my own. However, you know, I'm not a mathematical genius. I'm not an algorithm inventor. Inventing an algorithm actually takes a lot of hard work and focus, and I just didn't have it today. So I just copy-pasted from online. Didn't really copy-paste, but I copied the code line by line. Maybe one day I'll step through each line and really truly understand how it works and why it works. But anyways, that's enough jibber jabber. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.